Okay, well, it did spark. Both wires spark. I'm gonna button this up and I'm gonna take it to the lake and see if it runs any better. If it does, great. If it doesn't, then I keep troubleshooting. This cost me less than $50. If I'd have bought it at a marina, probably $150. So um, that's it. Made in China. The ones from the marina were probably made in China too. I'm not sure they'll tell you that. But let me turn it around here. I'll show you where we're at. All right, this is what I'm going to put on here. I'm taking a guess. What it says, one piece. This is the original. This new, original, new. Wires are just uncut. All right, so let's see if it's going to fit. Yeah, I'm over here. Here it goes. Cats are watching. At least the battery's up. Before I turn the lights back on, let me check the whole picture. They got these little things to keep the wires from laying on top of each other, I guess. I'm not sure why they're there. But they actually do move on the wire. This is the original coil. Alright. So, you take this and fold it back. Push this out of your way. Get your fingernail if you have any left. Pull it down. When I was working, I never had fingernails. I was so busy trying to clean them, I'd slowly wear them off. But anyway, this should slide down. Try not to ruin it. And then inside here, there's like it almost looks like a wood screw. And you just hold onto the wire, start turning, and it'll actually screw right out of the inside of that. See that? I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Now, then you take all this crap off of here. You're going to use that. I'm going to use that. I'm not going to tear these off of here. They're all that. This is already in on the wire. This is original. And you just put all this. Slide your wire. Slide this on first. This. Then slide this on. The wire sticking out, and then you screw it on, then you pop it on. Easy, huh? This just fits on there, it doesn't screw, but this actually screws into the wire. Well, we can't see that, but there is a screw in there. Then we're going to reuse these. See, so I left a little bit of wire, a little bit extra wire sticking out. You wouldn't have to do that. Working on chainsaws, I think it lasts longer if you do that. I stick all this on here like this. First a little spacer, then the boot, Just stick it in there, line it up, get it started like you would any screw. Should follow that wire. You'll know at your end when it's getting harder and harder to turn. Now you just push this up over here. This. We're good to go. You don't need any adapters or anything. Now before I get too stupid, I'm going to go ahead and put this wire up. This. Hear it? I'm going to leave this one off. I'm going to go ahead and hook this up, back up. We'll see if this one will spark. This time, see if I can find something black to put back there. Leave the lights on this time. I'm not stumbling around in the dark. Much clearer than the selfie thing. This is just a tool that I used to use on Briggs Stratton motors, Kohlers, all kinds of motors. I think you can still buy them, only now I think they look like spark plugs, but still. This one you can adjust. I got this adjusted almost as wide as possible, trying to make it as hard for that coil to spark as I could. Okay, now look at the difference in this. This is the original. Look, it's just got one pin coming out. The wire is real close. This one, it's separated it a little more. So this is too wide. To fit that slot. So I'm going to have to widen that slot about 1/4 of an inch on each side. I'll just do that with a pair of scissors. Okay, I don't know if I had the camera on. This is where I had to widen that gap in this little plastic cover. And this one, I don't think you'd have to. Doesn't look like it's even going to, I don't know, it's going to be close to that screw. I don't know if I can get another one and do that. It may not fit. Huh. Well, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it, if I come to it. See the difference? Whoops. Look at that one. And look at that one. That is really close to that screw. I don't know. Guess if I had to, I could cut the corner off of this. We'll see. Hopefully I won't have to go to that. This will fix it and it'll last me my lifetime. Okay, that's where we're at. We're going to try this Chinese coil in a Japanese motor. It's a hybrid. Well, I'm trying out my motor. See, right now it's tilted up. Ran perfect when I put it in the water, and so now I've been out here fishing a little bit. I caught a couple bass, no, tiny little ones. So now I'm going to put the motor back down in the water, see if something, I don't know I'm not sure what's wrong with that motor, if anything. So I'm going to put the motor back down, see what happens. There goes nothing. It's been setting up now about an hour. Figure if it's going to flood or anything weird going to happen. It runs fine. All I did was change the coil. I'm not going to do anything. I'm not even going to pump it or nothing. I'm just going to... Well, didn't quite start. Give a little bit of gas. Runs. Nobody on this little lake, so I can rip around a little bit. It's fast idle. It's completely slow, as slow as it can go. Here goes nothing. Put that seat down so you can see. Takes right off. Of course, it hasn't been sitting for 2 weeks in the sun, but you know. Maybe I'll scare the fish into bite. Well, I'm going to leave her alone until she totally screws up again. So I got a $45, not quite $50, Chinese aftermarket coil on there. The other coil's the original. You know what I haven't done? I haven't gone in reverse yet. Let's go in reverse. Who knows? It doesn't care. Pushing the water up in the boat. See that little hole, drain hole? Getting pretty hot out here. Nice day out here. It's about 80 degrees, a little breeze. And what makes it even better, the motor's running. It's not missing or anything. So. Boy, ain't that a pretty fish? Haven't caught one of them in a while. Haven't been fishing this lake in a long while. Bit my minnow out.